you're talking about political parties, if you're talking about politics, politics has a complex issue. It's not one factor or one reasons. So many factors, so many reasons, it is a complex. To strengthen a party, we need a good statesman also, get good leader also to join the party. That way only the party cannot grow only with a few leaders. They should have so many good leaders who is working for the party. Then other people also will come and join the party. That way only the party can grow. So BJP is not sitting idle. They are doing their duty. They are doing the responsibility. And only party in the have seen in the state of Meghalaya, those are working 24/7. Working daily, the office is working, is the only BJP office. If you see the history, right from way back of the victory of BJP, which as 1984, if I'm not mistaken, they were having only 2 MPs. From 2 MPs, today BJP is ruling not only in the center, even through so many states, is ruling by the BJP. It grows by the time. So when it started with 2 MP, now they have been crossed 300 also. So now, okay, 240. What is the biggest political party in our country today? So it start growing from the small, humble beginning, no? So here also with 2 MLA, tomorrow we will see 5 MLA, we will see 10 MLA. One day will be absolutely majority also from BJP. So the time only is the time only can heal.
Why not big leaders? They join BJP.
They will join. Now many also they have joined. They will join also. Many of them also they will join. But wait for that time.
Have you spoken to any big leaders, any big names?
We are in touch with many. We are in touch with many.
Means sitting MLAs or ex-MLAs?
Both sitting MLA, ex-MLA and prominent leaders of the states. We are discussing with them also. Only the right timing they will tell us.
So some prominent leaders are likely to join BJP.
I told you, no, there are some of them they are willing to join, but they are waiting for the time. Time is the best.
Which political
factor,
party, if you can?
No, I will not tell from any which political party. We could not disclose the identity of anybody, but if they are willingly they want to join the BJP, the door is open and we welcome them.
Whether the coming of BPP or rising of power of BPP has somehow have stopped the growth of BJP or has it affected BJP?
See, if you're talking about the roles of BJP, the roles of NPP, the roles of BPP like that, see, the politics is like seasonal. Sometimes you will see some season is very heavy rain. Some season there's no rain at all. So politics is also like that. You cannot be predicted from the beginning.